You know it's your boy DJ Chaddy and I'm back again. People, wagwan. I hope everybody good. I hope everybody alright. If for the first time you check out the Chaddy TV, don't hesitate to hit the subscribe button and turn on post notifications so anytime we upload videos like these, you definitely are gonna be the first to know. So people, the first thing we want to talk about in this review is directly coming from SkillBeng. People, listen this.
First thing, the pussy we are sending on that video there, I suck your mama. The first somebody we send out that video there, because I don't know if I'm going to talk about me. The pussy they want me dead, you know.
My name matter down, my spliff hot so hot. Then I talk about skilly them mad could they. Me do laugh watch your pussy them chat could they.
Yeah, Chaddy Murray, I'm your biggest fan.
What a vibes!
Chaddy Murray TV.
For all the vlogs and recent update, mailing Chaddy Murray. Bototom, Bush, Yaxter said that.
Oh, no bad mind and wicked, so. So people, a video circulate on social media. Claim say a skilly crash off a bike. Now, the person in the video, we can see say him get a hard knock. Me no know if the somebody they dead. Me no know what happened. But you can definitely see say the person get a hard knock. And then people, the video that kinda, you know, look like SkillBeng for true, because the person I wear the same John Sport and them thing there. But from the video that I got, I could not see SkillBeng face clearly. Him face never did a show. A matter of fact, you can hardly even see the person body. You just see the person black was crash off of the bike. So I saw everybody will crash off a bike with black. Them are gonna say a Skilly and them wear a John Sport. Me no know. But the people them wicked star. So that's why SkillBeng have to run out and go up on him live. Same time for just address the matter.
First thing, the pussy we are sending on that video there, I suck your mama. The first somebody we send out that video there, because I don't know if I'm going to talk about me. The pussy they want me dead, you know.
And me have to comment SkillBeng, because SkillBeng just got some booms on site while go on. You see me? Him no wait for no PR. Him no wait till the next day. Him no wait till the next minute. The man just sight the rake and say, yo, watch your no man, phone, Instagram, live. And just deal with the matter right there, so. No all rumors and all of them things. I could have wish if I saw all of the dancehall artists them whenever a rumor circulate about them, whether it's death, whether it's bad rumor, good rumor, any rumor at all, them just grab them phone, go live and say, people, this is the matter. This is how I go on. Me there, we alive. Not like that not happen. And for the people them where I wonder what was the video being circulate, me I go see me can show a P side right now. You see me? So people, take a look. People, that are probably the only clip me can show right now, because I don't know YouTube stay already. And, you know, from them now with them something there, we not go show it. But if you're watching on Instagram, just look out for a post. Me I go post the full video where them claim say a SkillBeng. You know what I mean? So you can get a better look at it. People, if you're not watching on Facebook or Instagram or YouTube, sorry, just go over to my Instagram page at I am DJ Chaddy. So that's at I am DJ CHADDY, and check out the full video. Me I gonna leave a link in the comment section below. And you can see say, yo, I never SkillBeng. Well, SkillBeng just forward out and talk and say, I never him. Me I wonder why people bad mind the youth, some man. Jano star, I don't know people. But anyway, you know the new COVID lockdown, something, and the new rule and the bag of things. You see me? And you don't know, say, Spragga Benz was a hombre from earlier on, forward out, and a bun the system. Not necessarily say him a bun the system, you know, but him just a oppose on the role COVID-19, and him not believe in that something there. Anyway, after Andrew Holness did the lockdown, or announced the new weekend lockdown, he had this to say. But before me play what him have to say, we are going to talk about this artist first. This reggae artist. And people, the artist are bad. When me say the artist are bad, him not bad in a way like SkillBeng. You know what that like a new style? The man is a roots reggae kind of badness. And them badness, them a push old school 80s badness. People, wanna listen this song.
You are so incredible, so compatible, and it's gonna be hard to find a lover like you.
You see what me I talk about? the man go roots, rock, reggae. Once the man go female, he can't lose. And for those who are watching and wondering who is this artist, oh, him sound like Glenn Washington. So, I know Glenn Washington. This artist goes by the name George Prophet, and the song is entitled So Incredible. That one I can play anytime, you know. See, like how Andrew only lock down the place and nobody can go nowhere. When you lock down in your place with your man, and that song you feel play, you just tell her, say, you're so me not sing it. Me not try sing it. People, that song is bad. Me not tell a lie. And for those of who think that this song is not bad, because you don't have no woman, I bet.
Baby, when I look into your eyes, I've seen nothing to compromise.
So people, that is George Prophet, So Incredible. And the same artist, so we are talking about George Prophet, in just released an album. Someone want to go check it out. The album is entitled Perfect. It is on all major platforms. Alright. And guess how which song I lead it out? Yeah man, So Incredible. People, when you just go check out the artist, check out the artist stuff. May I go leave link in the description for the artist. Alright? So Incredible, I go on with it.
You are so incredible, so compatible, and it's gotta be hard to find a lover like you.
Now we are going to talk about Spragga Benz a burn a fire upon the Jamaican government, and him a burn a fire upon the people and we claim say it's a politics thing him a deal with and them thing there. You see me? So sit back and relax and listen what Spragga have to say.
All the while throughout history, the ones that will stand up for the people always get sold out by the same people that want them stand up for. Yeah, and they don't know Jamaica run. You grow up in a JLP area, you can't go on like you're a socialist. You grow up in a socialist area, you can't go on like you're a labor, right? Anyway, as a man, I get to know myself. And as a youth, me and my friend them never take side for run up behind a politician and get no favors from them. Red Square we name. Anybody at Dunkirk can't tell you that we build for our own self. And that is what caused we and people feeling the vibes all the way because we never run back on a politician. So right now, they're different. My friends are South. My friends are Tivoli Garden. My friends different areas of different affiliations. I care for people from all about in Jamaica over my career. It never matter which party you come from. When you come to Spragga, you know say whatever you come to him with, it will get addressed to the best of my abilities. We reach this stage now with this present government. I do the same thing where the next government would have do if them did in a power. So it no matter who in a power. So it's not about party, it's not about politics, it's about the people. And even more so, it's about Jah works. It's about prophecy where it's a fulfill in front of our eyes. So some people want to go on like them want to confuse this with politics. Me know the game. Yeah. And just I want the audience to die once. So anytime you free me out of the body of me inner as a soul, what else you not gonna do? Yeah? So saying that for say, whatever will be, will be. But that still not gonna stop me from saying what I have to say. Because I not say it for me, I say it for Jah. And who can overstand that? Sorry for you know, a limited understanding. But there are people out there who do understand what I'm going on and who do understand what I'm saying and what I'm trying to do. Because when I do this for money, when I run down money, I'm probably one of the poorest artists them. When I run down money, when I run down career, just put the work here in my lap. Because I don't know nothing about music. I can't tell you that straight. I don't know A key from B key. I don't know flat from sharp. I don't know harmonies neither. I just sing from my soul. And sing the words I'm going to put in my mind and perform from my soul. Because I'm never going to school for this. And see it there. I'm one of the top artists in Jamaica. Ever since from the first song that come out of my mouth, Jah just put me in a position until a time when him use me for him, I go use me for. And this at the time. And the time of a talk up against injustice and the things that I see happening in front of my face. From me a little youth, me I tell you that. Me 52 years old. years old now, for me, a liquor youth, me hear Rastaman talk about microchip. Me hear Rastaman talk about New World Order. For me, a liquor boy. And I see the people in my laugh off of Rastaman from them time. They say, nothing can go, so nothing on your microchip, nothing can go in your body, and nothing can make you think like. See it you know? So I see them when me I tell you when me I say, when I say nothing no go so. Me not war with you know. And who want war with me. And I'm always have a saying for some people want to shoot the messenger, but me tell you so the messenger go shoot back. And the messenger go shoot first because you give me the vision to see what's coming more time. Yeah. You think a joke? I mean nah stop the job work neither. And I can't kill me, but I can't do nothing more than that. Because my work still a go stand. And my words them still a go ring out in all the years. And then I still a go down and I still a go suffer. The bigger heads them who plan and a scheme against me and Buju and all of the other artists who want to plan against. You think the politics have enough to do this? And alright, yeah, man. I'm just telling you, people, when you look to Jah, people, this vaccination thing where them come with is not nothing for you to run into. People, all of them things where the government them do is not just Jamaica government to do it alone, it's all around the world, it's a plan. We're decades in the making and yesterday it come in. A decades in making, generations. So some of the young youth and can't see it. Because the things that will happen from the grandparents' days and nowadays them things they just get revealed. If them they talk from them time they say them kill Malcolm X and Martin Luther, what do you think could have happened? But no, them can't say it. So we have to be wise people. We don't come here to try divide, we come here to try unite, you know.
So people, I want you to tell me in the comment section what you think about what Spragga Benz have to say. Now, we don't know we got to work already. We like to get the feedback from the viewers. You see me? We not input nothing and we not take out nothing. We just give you just as it is. It's your boy DJ Chaddy, and don't forget to check me out on Instagram at I am DJ Chaddy. So that's at I am DJ CHADDY. Don't forget to leave a like on this video and comment in the comment section and let me know what you think about the topics we discussed today. It's your boy DJ Chaddy, and guess what? A one way and any other way are the wrong way. My God.